inch. For this rain gauge project, you will need the following materials. This rain gauge measures the weekly average rainfall and determines if it is light rain or flooding. To start, grab your ruler and the popsicle stick. We will be using the inches side of the ruler. Line them up nicely and grab your Sharpie marker to make a marking every half an inch. So it will be 0 inch, 0.5 inch, 1 inch, 1.5 inch, all the way to 5 inches. Make sure the markings are clear and legible and write the numbers next to them. There is space above the measurements, so I decided to include extra information. You can use this extra space to decorate as well. Now let us locate the 0 inch to 1 inch. Use a colored marker, preferably a lighter shade, to shade in the area. This area is considered light rain. If your rain measures up in this area, it means that this week has light drizzles of rain. You can use the space on top to include a legend of the colors that you have used. Now locate 1 inch to 2.5 inches. Use another colored marker to color the area in. This area is considered medium rain. If your rain measures up in this area, it means that this week has decent sized rainfall. Your clothes can get wet here if you don't use an umbrella. Include the color in the legend. Now locate 2.5 inches to 5 inches and shade the area in with a dark color. This area is considered heavy rain. If your rain measures up in this area, it means that this week has very bad storms. Avoid going outside for too long if your rain gauge measures up to here. Include the color in the legend. You have completed your rain gauge. This device can measure weekly average rainfall levels. Put your rain gauge in a big jar that can hold up to 5 inches of water. Leave the rain gauge outdoors for a week and see what it tells you. We left our rain gauge outside for 1 week and it measured 1 inch. This means that during the week, there were light drizzles and showers. What does your rain gauge say?